In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text on top of your video in CapCut PC. If you need to display a cell formula, highlight an important keyboard shortcut, or place a clean title directly over your screen recording, this is one of the easiest ways to do it in CapCut on PC. The nice thing about this method is that it gives you a simple text overlay you can quickly customize while keeping your video clear and easy to follow. To begin, look up to the top left area of the CapCut interface and click on the Text tab. This opens the text tools you'll use to create your overlay. Once that panel is open, check the column on the far left side and make sure you're inside the Add Text category. That's the section where CapCut keeps the basic text options, and it's the right place to start if you want to build a clean custom title or instruction overlay from scratch. Next, look across the top area of this text tray until you find the tile labeled Default Text. This is the quickest option for adding a standard text box to your project. Hover your cursor over that tile and then click the blue plus sign in the corner. As soon as you do that, CapCut will place a brand new text layer onto your timeline. You'll notice it appears as an orange text block positioned above your main video track. That's exactly what you want, because anything on that layer will show on top of your footage. Now it's time to change the content and make the text look the way you want. Click once on the orange text block in the timeline so CapCut knows that's the layer you want to edit. Then move to the top right Properties panel. At the very top, you'll see a large text field. Click inside that box, remove the default placeholder text, and type in your own words. Right below that, you can adjust the styling. Open the font drop-down and choose a clean, heavy bold font if you want the text to stand out clearly on screen. After that, use the size slider and bring it down to around 12. That size usually works well when you want your text to stay sharp and readable without covering too much of your spreadsheet or screen recording. The goal is to make the information easy to notice while still letting viewers see the content underneath. Once your text layer is in place on the timeline and your font styling is adjusted in the top right panel,